so cute. Are you okay if I take a photo of that? Like, are you guys a couple?
Yeah.
Okay, this is kind of weird, but I'm a photographer and I do photos of like random couples. Okay. Would you guys want to do like 3 to 5 minutes of photos, like for free? I'll send them to you guys. Yeah, sure. For real? Okay. Also, it's raining, so if you want to like get out of the rain, let me know. But I'll show you my Instagram so you know I'm like a real person. If it'll load. Okay, well, it's not gonna load, but here's me. This is some of my stuff. So cool. And then I post like, they're probably not gonna load right now, but I'll give you my Instagram later and you can see all my reels and like TikToks and stuff. So are you guys good with being on like social media? I record with my glasses, so they'll record videos and we'll like take photos. Is that good? Yeah. Okay, awesome. Okay, awesome. What are your guys' names?
Julie.
Oh, this is Kimber. Kimber is my sibling and they record videos for me for like YouTube. Is that okay with you guys?
Sure.
Okay, so your name's Julie.
My name's Julie.
And
my name is Park.
Park?
Yeah.
Park and Julie. I'm Tori. Nice to meet you.
Tori.
I'm going to try to remember. This is so cute. Are you okay if I take a photo of that?
Yeah,
like, I want you to just, I was like, we like saw you guys over there. And so I was like looking at you guys look so cute. So I kind of want to take a photo of how you guys already are. Like, this is cute.
Okay.
But maybe, are you okay if I like hide your bag and like the water bottle maybe? Yes. But I kind of like that you guys are just hanging out like drawing. That's cute. So if you're okay to like put things on the ground, then I can edit it out really easily. Okay, so Julie and Park, is that right? Okay. Yeah, just like that is perfect. Yeah, just, oh, that was cute. You can leave it. I think it's all cute. Maybe just the water bottle. As long as you move the water bottle, it's cool.
I'm just going to keep drawing.
Yeah, just keep doing your thing. I love it. Oh, Park, can I have you take your glasses off? Are they like prescription or are they just sunglasses?
They're prescription, but
they're like transition lenses? Okay, okay. Oh, that's cute. Okay, I want you to just admire her while she's drawing. You can like put your hand on her back if you want or like whatever you want to do. Cute. I'm going to get like a close-up because this is so cool. I've never photographed an artist before. You're my first artist.
Really?
Yep.
She's amazing.
I know, that's really good. I just showed up, but I love it. Do you have like an art account on Instagram or anything?
I do.
Okay, I'll have to follow it.
That many things, but...
Okay, I kind of want to get, this is going to be so awkward, but I kind of want to get like between you guys, like looking down at your sketchbook, but I'll have to like awkwardly come over here.
Do what
so
you gotta do.
I'm going to like kneel by you, so sorry.
Yeah.
It's Julie, right?
Yeah.
Sorry, Julie, we're going to be best friends now. Okay, then Park, you're going to get in like really close to her. Yep. Cute. I'm going to try to get this shot.
Yeah. It's a free photo shoot.
Yeah. Cute.
You're actually talking about like, because we saw other couples.
Yeah, taking photos.
Yeah.
We're like, oh, we should do that one day. And then you guys appeared.
I love that. Okay, wait, will you put your sketchbook like more over that way?
This way?
Yeah, and then will you like look over at her, Park? Cute. Hopefully these are turning out. So I have to do like a really weird angle, so we're gonna see if this works. Oh, that's cute. I'm gonna do one more. Cute. Will you reach out and like touch her face while she's drawing? Does that make sense? Yeah, cute. Okay, let me make sure these turned out. Okay, and then I kind of want you to like wrap her up in a hug type of thing. So maybe like if you want to, oh, that's cute. No, just exactly how you guys are. That's perfect. Beautiful. Will you kind of like reach out and like touch her hair and like move it out of her face? Oh, that's so cute. You guys are so photogenic. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And then Julie, I want you to like look down at your sketchbook, if that makes sense. And you can like reach out and touch her face one more time. Yeah, cute. And then kind of like peek over at him. Cute. I'm gonna get one farther away. Cute. And then will you guys go cheek to cheek and look right at me? Just like one smiling one. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys are perfect. Okay, I want you to like kiss attack her all over her face. Go crazy. Yeah, attack her. Cute. And if you want, you can kind of like grab onto his face with your left hand.
My left hand?
Yeah. Okay, are you okay if I get really close for one?
Sure.
Going for like one more kiss, kind of like a smiley kiss. That's so cute. Okay, do you want to do one like standing walking in the path and then we'll call it good?
Okay,
Is that good with you guys? Okay, we'll do, I'm trying to think. Let's do this way. So if you want to just leave your stuff there, we're not going to like go anywhere. Yeah. Maybe just go down like right in the middle of the path over there. And then you're just going to hold hands, like swing your hands, walk toward me. Give me 1 second. Okay, go for it. Cute, look at each other. Yeah, cute. Okay, and then go back like 2 steps. I love that. Step like a little bit over that way. That was so freaking cute. And then you're gonna like hug onto his arm, cross a foot, and then like lean your head on his shoulder, the whole thing. And then Park, you're gonna go hand in your pocket. Yep, perfect. Oh, that's stinking cute. You guys are perfect. I'm obsessed with these. Okay, go ahead and look at each other. That's cute. And you're gonna like pull apart just a little bit. And I'm gonna get close for 1. Oh, that's cute. Give me like really big smiles again. Cute. And then look right at me. One more smiley one.
Oh, it's right in green.
Okay, we'll be done now. Go get your sketchbook. I don't want it to get ruined.